Hey guys, today I'm going to film a quick project pan update. I haven't updated this project in a really long time. I haven't found a lot of time to be able to film videos, so that's why it's taking me longer. I had a bunch of pre-filmed videos already, so those are what have been going up, but I just ran out of those. So uploads are probably going to be a little bit slower now, just for the fact that I don't have a lot of time to film. I don't think I'm going to be filming empties videos anymore, just because my room is so small that I don't have space to keep empties. I'll keep my empty makeup products until I update this video, and then I'm just going to throw them away. So yes, let's just get into it. I don't have a lot of time. So let's talk about what I've used up this update. It's been longer than a month, but first I used up the Tarte Guard little foundation. I do really like this. I don't think I would ever buy it though, because it's pretty expensive for just a tinted moisturizer. And then I also finished the Laura Mercier Rose Gold eyeshadow stick. And that is completely gone. Let me grab my paper. So the eyeshadow stick was only in since last update, but right here, and I used it all up. The next empty I have is my Bosca Eye Brightener. I was using this as a all over face color, and it's gone. I don't like this. And I also finished the Starlux Pro eyeliner pen. That has completely dried out. I finished the NYC Applicious Glossy Lip Balm. I really like this. I have another color. Let's see where it is on here. Over here. So that's where we were last time, and we finished that one off. I also finished off my blush. So this was in my Z palette, and that is now completely empty. This was from an Ulta holiday set. I finished my Avon eyebrow pencil. It's stuck in the cap now, so I can't pull it out. But we used quite a bit of it. It was what started up here, and I was able to use all of that up. I did have to sharpen this quite frequently, so I think that's why it went pretty fast. But I do really like that. I also finished my Almay Smart Shade setting powder. So that guy's completely empty. I liked this. I wouldn't buy it again though. I had trouble with hard pan with that. And then once I was done with that, I started working on the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. This is just a small size, and I completely finished this up as well. So this is like a bonus empty because it wasn't in this project technically. And that is everything that I completely finished up. Let's see. Now let's just get into my progress. This video is all over the place, I'm sorry. I haven't filmed in so long. Alright, what should we start with? We'll start with this. This stuff is all stuff that I'm still working on. But this is the Cella eyeliner pen in indigo blue. I'm still working on this. I've really only used this like one time since I've moved. So not a ton of progress, but it is still not dried out. And then I have my Avon eyeliner glimmer stick in Flashy Copper. We'll roll this guy all the way up. You can see that. And let me show you on the paper. All the way over on the corner. So we had that much progress, and now the black is this much progress. I do still really like that. I just forget to use it. I haven't been wearing makeup a ton, so I have like minimum progress on some stuff. Some stuff I've been able to use quite a bit. Let's see, we have the Marc Jacobs lip liner, and I think I might have worn this once. Let me see. There it is right there. Not a lot of progress. And then we have my Sephora eyeliner. This is getting down there. do really like this. It's just a plain black eyeliner. And let's see. That is our progress on this one. So I do wear this every single day unless I'm not wearing any makeup. But then I'll wear that every day. And I do really like it. It's just a plain black eyeliner. Same with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I've been using this every single day. I could probably call this done, but I think I can get a little bit more out of it. But I am going to put in another mascara just because I feel like this should probably be thrown away in like a week. So I'm just going to finish that up and then I'll start working on the new one, but I'll show that at the end. Next I have my NP Set Eye Primer, and we are now at that black line right there. I really haven't been wearing this a lot since I moved. I was wearing it a lot before I moved. But yeah, there's where we are on that. I do still really like this. It's a fine eyeshadow primer. And then we have my L'Oreal foundation. This has like essentially 2 uses left. It's way down here. I didn't even bother putting a line. I do really like this. I think I would repurchase this in the future. But yeah, there's only like 2 uses left in here, so this should be gone definitely by next time. I have my Lancome mascara primer. I've worn this a few times. That's really all though. And then there is my Chastique concealer crayon, and that is all that is left in there. I do really like this. It's pretty slow going though. Like, you get quite a bit of product in there. Let me find it on my paper. And here it is right here. So I've used about a third, but I am using that actually pretty often. Next is my Lac & Co. Lil Lip like hot pink lipstick. I was using this as a cream blush for a really long time, and I haven't touched it since I moved, so there's no progress on that. Same with my Makeup Forever lipstick. No progress on this guy. I haven't used this at all since I've moved either. And the same with this highlighter. This is my e.l.f. highlighter stick in Permersion. Haven't used this since I moved. I do really like it though. I tend to be like, I get ready in a rush, so I don't have time to do like full face, nor do I really want to just to go to work. So cream products are like the first thing that I cut out. And then I have my NARS bronzer in South Beach, and I have used this one a few times. That's what that guy looks like. I do have progress to show on this one. I used this one quite a bit before I moved. So there's that little line. But yeah, I do really like that. It's pretty blendable. I just don't have time to use it. Alright, next I have my Smashbox little primer sample. I have maybe 1 use left in here, so I probably could call this an empty. I am going to add in a new primer to work on, but yeah, this has like 1 more use left. My Hourglass lip gloss I've used about twice maybe since I moved. Still no progress. My ColourPop liquid lipstick in Strip. Not enough progress to make a new line. I've worn this probably like a handful of times though. And then I also have my Revlon lip butter. This one I have been wearing pretty consistently. So there is that guy. Let me show you on the paper. When I finished my NYC chapstick thing, this is the one that I have been using since then. So we are over here. I feel like this one could be gone by next update. I have my Balm Desert single eyeshadow. It's actually a bronzer, but I'm using it as an eyeshadow. Sorry, there's a lawnmower outside. And that is what that looks like. There's a pretty good dip in there. No pan though. Next, I have my Smashbox Full Exposure Palette. I'm just working on the cream matte shade, which is this guy. And there's a pretty good dip in there. I don't think you'll be able to really tell. There should probably be pan next month. And then have my bronzer. This is the e.l.f. bronzer, and I already repressed it, and this is what it's looking like. It's actually been taking quite a bit of time since I repressed it, but I'm pretty sure this should be done soon. Okay, I think that's everything I have progress on that have already been in this project. I'm rolling this out. This is the Becca Lip Primer. I haven't touched it. I'm gonna just put it back in my collection. I think I'm gonna eventually use it as an eyeshadow primer. Next I have this. This isn't officially in my project, but I've been using this every day. It's my IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream in medium, and this has probably like one more use left. So this will definitely empty next time, and I am rolling something in. So there's that, almost done. And now, let's see. Let's talk about the things that I'm rolling in. For foundation, I'm going to roll in my Marc Jacobs Marvelous Mousse in beige medium. And I've used this a few times, nothing much though. I'm going to use this until it doesn't match me anymore. Because it is pretty dark, but I am actually pretty tan right now. I'm also going to be using, once I finish the IT Cosmetics CC cream, I'm going to use this Clinique CC Moisture Surge. There's not much left in here either, so this should definitely be done. For powder, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Perfection Powder in Golden Fawn. I've had this for a while. I really like it. And there it is. There's not like a ton of like wear on it, but I have used this quite a bit. So there's my new powder. For bronzer, I'm just going to put in a new bronzer now in case I finish that one really early. I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Ave Princess. This is just a deluxe sample, and I think I've used one of these up before already, but that is where we are starting. For blush, I have this Makeup Forever sample in 7N02, I believe is the color name. So there's that. I've never used this. I think I've just swatched it. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. I think this should be a pretty easy one to use up. For eyebrows, I have this Sweet and Shimmer Eyebrow Duo. I'm just going to be using the brown side. Got this at Ulta. I don't even remember what the brand is. But there's that, and I think I have it marked on here. Yes. There is where we are starting. I think I might be able to have this done by the next update. And then we also are starting with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This is completely full, brand new. It's just a sample, but these typically take a while, and I haven't been using face primer a lot. And then lastly, a new mascara. I have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes sample, and this I'm going to be starting to work on. Alright, I think that is everything. That was like really quick. I don't have a lot of time. But yeah, I hope you still like to see all of the progress that I have and what I've been using, working on. Actually, I have one more thing. One second. I forgot, I have my Bare Minerals palette. So this has 2 single eyeshadows and a highlighter. I hit pan on the highlighter, but I'm still going to work on this until I use it up. And then you're probably not going to be able to tell because the mirror is so bright. Let's see. I have a really good dip going on that pink eyeshadow. I should have pan on that pink eyeshadow pretty soon. And then the purple one I haven't used yet at all. But yes, I am going to keep working on that. And that is everything. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'm going to film my Pan Those Eyeshadows update next, so I'll probably be wearing the same thing. But yeah, stay tuned for more. See you guys.